Good morning, friends. Okay, here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna walk around our house and see if we can find things that make loud sounds and things that make soft sounds. First, let's practice with our voice. I can sing really loud. I can sing really loud. I can sing really soft. Okay, now let's try with our hands. Can you make your hands loud? Good. Can we make our hands soft? Great job. Can you think of an animal that makes a loud sound? Let's see how many we can come up with. Okay, how many do you have? Can you show me what an animal that's really loud would sound like? Oh, that's definitely a really loud animal. My first thought was an elephant. I think that elephants are really big and really loud. Okay, can we think of a soft animal? I've got a few. Okay, show me an animal that you think is really soft. Good. I thought of a mouse. Because mice are so small and so quiet. Sometimes you don't even know they're there. Now let's see if we can find things around our house that are loud and soft. Okay, first, let's see what I found in my kitchen. What could make noises that are nice and loud in my kitchen? Let me think. Oh, I've got one. Is that loud or soft? Pretty loud. Let's see what else I can find. I got it. A jar and a spoon. What do you think, loud or soft? This one's pretty soft. All right. Oh, okay. I've got two boxes. Let's shake them and see which one is loud and which one might be soft. What do you think? Which one do you think is louder? Which one do you think is softer? It could be either one, right? I think they're both kind of about the same. But they both shake. See what you can find around your house to make loud and soft